All right, Yachts. So I am here in North Carolina at a little beach island, not really island area, but it's kind of like a little nice area. Got this well, nice little house that I can stay in for me because they don't the groups doesn't want to stay with them. I'll probably do my videos right here. I got my bed over here. This is cute, honestly. But I like the TV. Little TV area. They got a bathroom, a shower. Love a shower. I love a shower. Always need a shower. Got a little sink and whatnot. Fridge. Let's go outside. That's the outdoors of that area. This is the main house, if you will. And there, folks, is the beach. Yeah. I'm gonna be here for like a week, but I'll still do videos. Yeah, like this one. Yeah. All right, folks. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be back with some videos later. 1,099 million. YAHTZEE.